out of town and wasn't going to make it, so he said, Steve, the president of Kenya is coming to town. I said, well, that's ironic because he's on my vision board. I showed it to him today. He's on my vision board. I've already in business with Botswana, the president Eric Gusii, and I do business together. And I was the first person to ever bring a television show from America and tape it on the continent of Africa. After everybody told me it couldn't be done. They told me it wasn't feasible. They told me they don't have the infrastructure to pull it off. Well, I went over there and I proved them wrong. Because Africa is most king. All we have to do is build a bridge between here and there. You are who we are. If there was no Africa, there is no African American. There's no Tyler Perry Studios without you. There's nothing. This brother's studio was on his vision board 10 years ago. I saw it. I saw it. And now I tape the biggest game show in the world. Look, I've been in TV for 30 years. I received the TV Icon Award this past November. Nobody done more TV shows than me in America. You've had bigger hits, but ain't nobody done more. I'm that dude. But listen, when I met my brother, and I know how God works, and he invited me to Kenya, it just so happens in September is when I end my vacation. So I'm gonna start shooting Family Feud again in Joburg, but this time for Botswana. So I'm gonna be on that side of the world, so before I go do that, I'm gonna come see my brother, and we're gonna hang out in Christmas, and we're gonna make this thing happen. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for having me. This is a dream come true. Welcome to what Tyler Perry got here. Nobody got this. This is as good as Paramount, Sony. Go walk around this lot. What this brother built is amazing. And so I'm just happy to be a part of it. And I'm here representing him today. And thank you all, Mr. President and the First Lady and beautiful family that I met. We're going to do some great things. We already got some good people doing some stuff in Kenya. Might as well pile it on. And like I told the president, show business is 2 words. You got to have a good show, but you got to understand the business. And I want Africa to stand on her own. To stand on her own. You don't, look, you just need to be shown how to do it. Once you get it, you can be independent. You don't need me forever. You just need me for 5 years.